Hi, Geometry. So today we're here to talk about how to classify an angle. I'm going to go a little out of order here, and I'm going to start at the bottom with what is called a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. So if you look what I drew here, it kind of looks like a line with a point in the middle, and that's exactly what a straight angle looks like. It is straight across, okay, 180 degrees. Okay, so if I cut my straight angle in half, then this half of the angle is now called a right angle. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. And we put this little, it looks like a little rectangle, we put this little, I call it a box, we put this little box in the corner, and that lets somebody know that that's exactly 90 degrees. Not 89, not 91, 92. That little box, when you see it in the corner, means that this is exactly a 90-degree angle. By the way, it is implied that this side is also now a 90-degree angle. Okay, so now let's talk about what an acute angle is. An acute angle measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. It cannot be exactly 0 degrees, it cannot be exactly 90 degrees. It must be somewhere between them. So anywhere in this range right here would make it an acute angle. So the one I've drawn on there, that's an acute angle. Okay, so I could change it. This is now in green. This is an acute angle. Okay, this little itty bitty angle right here, this is now an acute angle. So anything, again, between 0 and 90 degrees for its measure is classified as an acute angle. Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures between 90 and 180 degrees. So if I start here, anything that goes past my 90-degree marker, that's going to be an obtuse angle. So here's one example. Here's another where it goes all the way almost a full 180, but not quite 180. Remember, it has to be less than 180. Okay, and here's another one where maybe it's pretty close to the 90 degrees, but remember, it has to go past the 90 degrees. And there you have it. Acute angles are your tiny little acute angles between 0 and 90. If it hits exactly 90, it's right. An obtuse angle is when it's a little bit bigger than 90, but not a full 180 yet. And a straight angle is 180 degrees. But quickly, what happens if it goes past 180? What then? We named them from 0 all the way to 180, but what if it's 200 degrees or 250 degrees? So here's something that's clearly, if I go this way around, it's bigger than 180. Now we will not address that in geometry. This is a trig angle right here. In geometry, what we'll do is we'll say, nope, we're not going to go this way around. We will go this way instead. And this side over here, that is now an acute angle. So we will not address any angle bigger than 180. If your angle is bigger than 180 degrees, you went the wrong way. Don't go the long way or the longer distance between two rays. Find the shortest distance possible between two rays in order to name your angle correctly. And there you have it. In geometry, all angles from 0 to 180 degrees can and should be able to be classified. Okay, so take a second, pause the video, and see if you can go ahead and classify these angles. Okay, so I should be careful and clarify that we really shouldn't assume pictures or angles or anything are drawn to scale, but for this activity, I did kind of allow you to make that assumption. So if we're just eyeballing these and looking at them and classifying them by sight, then yes, this is an obtuse angle because it is bigger than 90 degrees. This is acute because I think it is less than 90 degrees. This one's exactly a right angle, and I know that because of the box in the corner. And this one again is less than 90, which makes it acute.